What's up traders, welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing live trading session. This is a live streaming where we will analyze all the charts, whatever you are trading, and also you will see what we are trading, and we will do this live trading session for an extended period of time. So make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and also stick till the end to see what pairs is giving us trading opportunity. Maybe you will be able to trade with us as well. So if you stay patient and stay with us, because the trading opportunity sometimes comes at the end of the session. So make sure you stick till the end, and also join in chat area. You can write your request, what you want me to cover, any kind of question you have. I will be get back to it straight away whenever I'll see your inquiry. So in the meantime, let's see what you guys and girls are thinking. I saw many of you are very active. Thank you, grandson. Hey, today let's start with JPY. Okay, let's start with JPY. Let alone please check S&P 500 today. Yep, we'll do that. SM, hello brother, how are you? I'm good. Alan James, good afternoon sir. Thank you. Angry boy, smash the like button. Thank you Angry boy for mentioning this. Please check S&P 500 today. Yep. Rizban, hi wizard, thank you. Irfan, salam, no problem. Irfan, thank you. How are you brother? Yep. Buma, good. Rabi, good. Janison, Mixchi, Siba, Kudius, Irfan, Jonathan, Emient and Emient. Okay, so let's see what let's start with JPY. The first request starting from the first. So what you see that JPY, let's see first of all bigger picture. Okay, we'll see start with the monthly time frame. Now on the monthly, okay, JPY bigger picture was bullish, right? It's a bullish market. Now when you see monthly bullish, then we need to see lower time frame what they are doing, and then we'll decide what we can do. So looks like this is the monthly candle, right? Now looks like that over the certain period of time JPY could be bearish or in a sideways. Okay, because it's a monthly bullish. You see, this is the current monthly candle. The price is in a narrow range for a very long period of time. This is almost 2 weeks the price in this range, right? So what JPY could do on the monthly, if this one closes somewhere here, okay, it might do something like that and will come back down here, and then we'll start its bullish move. So it's not understandable on the monthly what to do. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Now weekly, you saw this is the previous week's candle, a bearish candle. Now the price tested this exact trend line. This is a long-term trend line has been created on the weekly. Now weekly, it's a bit more clear what's gonna happen, and the price tested this. You see, this is the weekly. Every week the price is coming to this trend line and getting rejected. So what that means that JPY slowly trying to come down here. Probably it might create a bearish price action pattern, slowly changing its trend, or at least over the short term we might see the drop on JPY. Go to the daily now. Now daily, you saw this is the trend line, and this is kind of reversal pattern. At this point, previous day we saw a bearish engulfer from this resistance. Today we saw that the price retraced to the upside at certain point. Now let's say 4 hour. Okay, now this is where the 4 hour as well. Last 4 hour we have seen a bearish candle. Now I think that JPY will go like a little bit of sideways, and then finally will come down. Okay, you see that this is the trend line that we have seen on the weekly. Resistance, the price every time going there, creating a lower high, right? So what it might do, that's what market when change its trend, it does, it might go back again to this trend line and will reject again, and finally we might see that JPY consolidating and coming down here. Okay, coming down somewhere here where there is a support, okay, like that in this zone, and then we'll get bullish again. So at this point, so let's see now finally what we can suggest or what we can do. So the best way for the JPY to trade, if anybody trading, I would not suggest not to put below this stop loss. Stop loss should be above this high. So to put a stop loss above this high, then you need to find out a risk reward. Okay, now let's say if you are selling, I will not suggest to put a stop loss somewhere here. Should be stop loss here. It's a big gap, I know, but in that case maybe 1 to 1 is recommended. So CAD-JPY is short, but because it's a bullish market, the price will not come straight down. That's what happened when the market, let's say when the price action is like this, okay, then it might come straight down. But when you see price action is like that, and it may not come straight down like this, it will go up and slowly change momentum and then will come down. So what all this mean, that CAD-JPY might go here again, you know, and then will come down like that. Okay, so yeah, it depends on where you are trading from, but I see a head and shoulder here as well. So we could see it will go up somewhere here and then coming down like that. Okay, so wherever you are selling, you need a proper entry point to exactly to trade, but it's a slowly, it looks like it's changing. It's from uptrend to the downtrend. So this is what with CAD-JPY, NZD USD. Charles, good day sir. AUD CAD sir. USD CHF, I will look at USD CHF definitely. Euro USD, GBP USD, good day Alzaf, good day coach. Chiditto, Euro GBP, Alexandra, hi. Euro GBP. Okay, so let's see. I'm today really I'm happy to trade more on CHF pairs. So let's start with USD CHF. CHF looks like that, very strong. See this current candle, this is the 4-hour time frame, and USD CHF, if this one closes like that, I will go short with CHF. Smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. If you are new to the channel, this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. See, every day, as I told you, someday you will find some pairs will give you good trading opportunity. Okay, now what happening is USD CHF pairs is dropping, USD is getting weaker. Now if this doji with USD CHF, okay, closes as a doji like that, that is a good sell signal. It's still 1 hour 22 minutes remaining, but I think that this current candle may change. But if it doesn't change, if it closed as a doji, okay, that's a good opportunity to sell USD CHF from here. Okay, so I'll do that because CHF looks very strong, and USD CHF, what it did basically, it has created, you see there is a on the 4-hour head and shoulder, price broke down, went above, tested this previous support of this head and shoulder as a resistance, and we see that the price aggressively broke to the downside with USD CHF, followed by this doji. And early today during the Asian session, we secured a trade on USD CHF, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. We closed the trade here, and now I'm waiting for another entry opportunity on USD CHF. Now as soon as this candle will close, I'll go short with USD CHF. Now let's see, you guys and girls. Alexandra, CHF pairs looks bearish. Yeah, CHF looks very strong. So let's see what happened. Chadrick, good afternoon from South Africa. Good afternoon. Karen, good evening. Gold, please. I will look at it. Qasim Raza, hello sir. Show your magic. Not a good day for me. No problem, Qasim Raza. Be patient. We'll do definitely. We'll do all of them. USD. So John says that USD CHF and Euro dollar are negatively correlated. Buy one and sell the other. That's good suggestion from John. That's a very good idea. Good day, Bright. John says US market are a risk of, so expected strong CHF and JPY. Very good, John. You have a very good idea. John is very experienced trader. So yeah, CHF and JPY are getting stronger. So against CHF, USD dollar yen also looks the same pattern as the USD CHF. So looks like that they both will create the similar kind of pattern. Asher, hi wizard, I love you so much. Thank you, Asher. Thank you for and hello Usdjpy. So let's see Usdjpy, USD CHF and Usdjpy. Usdjpy looks like that we might see a bigger move in Usdjpy as well. Looks like that yen and CHF is getting stronger. Now why USD CHF, dollar yen also good one for trade? As you know, this is the over the long term dollar yen is bullish. You see, this is the bullish market with dollar yen. And then what happened that the price now coming for retracement. So at least we can expect a push to this level. This is the monthly, you see, this is the monthly week previous monthly high. Okay, it's a very strong bullish candle. Now what happened, you see the price after this monthly candle, now we see a push to the down. This is a retracement basically of this big move. Let's see a Fibonacci level. If we take here Fibonacci from the low to the high, you see this monthly week, this is the monthly previous monthly high, is exactly aligning with 38.2% Fibonacci level. Okay, so with that being said, we can expect there is a big confluence for this price to come down. We can expect the price to come back to this level of support and creating another bullish pattern. But so this is the monthly, and we have a gap, so we can consider now with the price action confirmation going short. Going to the weekly, now weekly we saw that there is a bearish engulf around the weekly in this resistance, and this week as soon as market open we saw that the price now pushing down. So I think that the price at least will come to this level or even lower than this. So looks like that yen is getting stronger. Now dollar yen on the daily, it's basically a now trend is down. Okay, so that's what you need to, that's what I say every day. When you see an uptrending market, you need a confirmation for the change of trend. That's what it is. You see, like this, when you see a market creating a series of higher high and higher low, this is an uptrending market, right? Now when do you consider the market is downtrend? When you see a reversal pattern like a head and shoulder created, broke down. Now you need to see the price to go up, test this previous support as a resistance, and then rejection. Then you can say that now this uptrend changes to the downtrend. That is the key to understand the trending direction. So dollar yen did the same. Look at the market structure on the dollar yen. There was a big push, okay, followed by retracement, push, followed by retracement, push, and then instead of retracement, what it did, it created a head and shoulder. If you see the 4 hour, it's more clear on the 4 hour time frame. So dollar yen, nice head and shoulder has been created. Okay, not on the 4 hour, on the daily. Okay, so this daily time frame, the price created this head and shoulder, broke down. Now again went above, tested this previous support, okay, as a resistance, and what we see, the significant rejection. Now at this point, what we are seeing that dollar yen again he created a double top here and broke down. Now what we see that the price is testing this previous support as a resistance, and today's candle tested and we see a rejection. Now at this point we might see a bigger move on dollar yen. As I told you that we might see to this level of support or even lower than this. So then how can we catch the trade on dollar yen? Go to the 4 hour. This is what it is. As you see that after 1 hour, I like this kind of pattern. You know, if I see this exactly like that doji, guys and girls, I will sell short dollar yen. Smash the like button. If you want to trade with us, then go to the description area. You can check my program, VIP training program, or stay with the live stream. And also if you wanna privately want to join, go to the description area. There is an option to join. Now at this point, what I'm expecting, dollar yen to create a doji like the USD CHF did the same. You see the same thing, but I will be more happy to trade USD CHF than dollar yen. USD CHF is a highly bearish. If you go to the monthly, you see that the price almost fully rejected from the top. Okay, so this is the lonely monthly candle rejected from this monthly resistance. Now what happened, I think that it will come down back to this level of support here. Okay, why? Because you see this is the imbalance. That's always I talk about. When you see a market didn't test the previous resistance as support, the price likely to come back here before creating any move. Even next week or this week, we might see that USD CHF coming back to this level of support and then going up. So going to the daily, it's a strong, the market structure is completely broken, and I think that USD CHF will just melt down. This is a good trading opportunity now on USD CHF. So Euro CHF, please. Okay, so anything with CHF now strongly bearish, because CHF is ridiculously strong. You have seen that against all pairs CHF is strong. So always marry weaker currency with this stronger currency, such as AUD CHF could be a good one to trade as well. If you go to the 4 hour, you see AUD CHF, NZD CHF. So always like this. You see NZD CHF also now you are testing this previous support as resistance, and if this candles closes something like that, all of them, I will consider shorting any one of them. So I will not do all, but I will look for which one is better. Let's say AUD CHF. AUD CHF also did the same. You see, this is the overall long-term consolidation. You see there is a long-term consolidation on AUD CHF. This is the resistance and this is the level of support. You see the price exactly broke this level of support here. So all this support is broken, now testing this previous support as a resistance. Now if this candle closes something like that, it's a high probability trade, but not guaranteed. Trading is all about probability. In that case, what I will do, I will straight short from here, keeping my stop loss above this resistance, and I will target maybe big one, because if it drops, it will drop a lot, and that's what it is. That is trading. Okay, so let's see AUD CHF, NZD CHF. Let's see Euro CHF, what it is doing. Euro CHF. Okay, so Euro CHF also same. After a big move, the price now going up for a retracement. And I think that what it might do is, let's say if this candle closes something like that in the middle, it may not close in the middle, it might come down again, to this level. So what it might do, it might create a structure like that, and then will come back down again. That's what market does all the time. Okay, so coin borrow, hello chief, hello GBP JPY. So Okobi, hello GJ. Okay, so we have a quite request for GBP JPY, Qasim Reza. So USD, please hit so okay, no problem. Qasim Reza will look at it. Thank for all you do. Please check gold. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll go all of them. Just be patient. Justin, US 30 and US 100 fell so much yesterday. I caught over 1,000 people. Awesome, Justin. Very good. That's what I want from you. Kakulan, thank you. Hi Kakulan, thank you. Good God power. Oh please sir, GBP CHF. Okay, Kudus, please sir, NZD USD, gold, GBP USD, Ashok Shomon, gold, Goddess. Also there is a possibility for US 100 to buy today, because yesterday him sell also. Okay, so let's see US 100 what happened. Wow, that's a good move on US 100. You see the price created this fake out to the upside and then broke down again. Okay, so let's see on the daily. Okay, so this is a big move. You see, this is what exactly market structure is. The price tested this previous support as a resistance, and we saw that there is a big move happen. So go to the weekly time frame. We saw that the price, this change of trend, as I told you, it's in a downtrend. Okay, it looks like that it will continue to drop. Okay, so we might see a bigger drop on US 100. Go to the daily. The price is now here, so we might see a little push up again, and then we might see a drop. So let's say that the price now best to trade is if the today or at any point the price come to this level of support as resistance, or even it could drop along this trend line. Okay, US 100, it could drop from this trend line to the downside based on how the price action is forming. But I think that if this one closes like that, it could be sold from here, okay, depending on how this candle is closing. I think if this one closes like that, okay, like this, below this green, because this green can give you a nice bearish move resistance. So if this one closes just below this low, US 100 even can be traded, just keeping stop loss above this high with a tight risk management. It could be traded to the downside, but keep in mind that this is only for educational purpose. This is not any kind of investment advice. So TK boss, hello sir, Euro USD is bullish. Looks like Euro USD trying to be bullish, but over the long term is still bearish. So DXY please, Khalid, hi, thank you Khalid. Keaton, Euro GBP, TK boss, US 30 is bullish, kindly need help. Okay, US 30, no, doesn't look like indices are bullish, all are bearish. Okay, looks like bearish, not bullish. Avinash, NZD CHF please, we have discussed Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD, GBP USD, USD pairs. But as I told you, today I am very happy to trade USD CHF. Guys and girls, always keep in mind, trade that is giving you the opportunity, forget about the rest. See, every day you will not find all the trade. Every day you might find one pair or two pair giving you trading opportunity. Let's say if you look at the euro dollar, okay, euro dollar looks like that. You see, this is now trying to create a bullish pattern on a bearish market. Okay, so what it might do, euro dollar, I think that it might go up again, test this 20 period moving average again, because the previous one didn't touch the 20 period moving average. Did you realize that it didn't touch? So it might come back again up, touch and then may drop. Or if today's candle closes somewhere here like that, the next one may come test and then may drop. So what euro dollar is doing now, it is, you see there is a structure here on the daily. So it is trying to create another structure here. So it will go basically in a sideway. Looks like that it will go in a sideway. Okay. If you see the weekly, then you will understand what's happening with euro dollar, and then we'll know. Looks like that internet is getting disturbing. Okay, so hopefully you guys and girls can hear me. Looks like the internet is a little bit of slow. Sometime it happens. Okay, so euro dollar looks like, you see, euro dollar found this trend line. There is a trend line weekly. You see, it's a smooth trend line. So let me draw this trend line. Now go to the daily. You see the price is now respecting this trend line. Okay, so what I think that euro dollar not bullish, it will go up here and then will create a structure like this for a drop. So the price does all the time, okay, when they approach a very important area of value or support or resistance, the price this all the time. It's not bullish, but it will go like this and come down like this and will create a structure along this trend line, and at some point it will break this 20 period moving average, will come down and finally will drop. Okay, so at this point I will not recommend to trade euro dollar. Okay, better I will be focusing on USD CHF or CHF pairs, which is giving currently trading opportunity. Let's go to the 4 hour again. Okay, I hope that USD CHF will close, this candle will close like that. Okay, if it close here like that, I will sell straight like this, but it needs to be closed as a doji. Again, a disclaimer is that if this is only for educational purpose, not for any kind of investment advice. So let me explain what do I mean by this kind of close. Let me give you a couple of examples so that you know what I am talking about. Let's go to the GBP USD. So when this candle was forming on Gbpusd, I was in live stream. I still remember. If you guys and girls remember or no, I don't know. Let me replay this chart. You see exactly when this candle was forming. Okay, I was in live stream and I told the same story. Smash the like button if you made money from that trade, if you are in this live stream, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. See, GBPUSD did the same. After a big consolidation, it broke down and then gave this doji, and look at what happened after that. You see, you need one trade like this, not too many trades. So the same thing that I am telling with dollar Swiss franc. Let me see. Okay, let me see Swiss franc. Okay, so this, you see, I want dollar Swiss franc to create that kind of doji here. Looks like that it will create, because you see the price not getting, the buyers not getting enough momentum, and I think that dollar Swiss franc will create this doji. And if this is the situation, then I'll send a straight I'll trade in my own account, as well as I'll send it to my VIP students. If you wanna join my program, link in the description, you can check it out if you want to join our program. So this is the situation with USD CHF. USD CAD looks like bearish as well. You see, USD CAD also has created, you see, yesterday when I was doing the live stream, this 4-hour candle was forming, if you remember. And what did I say? That USD CAD is going up to test this period and then will come down. See, look at what happened exactly. The price is as it is. Smash the like button if you made money, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Now let's see what you guys and girls are thinking. Coinboro, GJ, okay, GBP will look at it. Gold Boss will look at it. Khan, Euro USD is a strong demand area. Yep. Justin, I'm still holding US 30 and US are selling from yesterday, and I'm selling today. It's bearish. Awesome, Justin. That's what I want. Hold the trade that is giving you opportunity. Cut the trade that is losing. Monica, AUD USD, Monica, thank you. I will look at it. Euro AUD, Euro USD will go up. Okay, so Irfan, GBP USD. So let's see what's happening. Curious, thank you, sir. No problem. So let's see gold. What's happening with the gold? Now we see that gold, as I told you, that you see their price now moving in a sideways. Yesterday I said the same, that gold might move in a sideways. So let's see now what we can do on gold. Now this is the daily, okay, sideways on the lower time frame, but it is a bearish market. Okay, so what gold might do, as I told you, it might come up, okay, to this zone, to this very important area of value, and then it might drop again. So what I think gold trying to do, you see, this is the structure gold is creating now on the daily time frame, and I think that with this structure, at some point gold will broke up, you know, will test this support, important level of support, as a resistance. So let's draw this one here. This support around 1850 support might test as a resistance, and then we might see a drop from here. So for gold, still bearish. I'm not gonna buy gold with little change, because it's not a change in trend. I don't think so. This is the weekly. You saw that after the weekly broke down, the price completely broke the weekly support. You see, this is the weekly trend line, which has completely been broken to the downside. Now the price is testing. So at some point, I think that gold will come back up to this zone. As I told you, this is the previous support here with the weekly candle. There is a weekly bottom here. If the price come back here, that is where the high probability trade remains for selling gold. Okay, going to the monthly, what we see, that this is the monthly. The price came down to this monthly level of, you see, monthly level has been broken, and we see a push to the upside. So this is a retracement. That's what happened when you see a high, you know, higher time frame support or resistance is broken. We can see a bounce on the lower time frame. So daily, that's why you see a bounce, and I think that the price will go up again along this zone and will come back again. So with that said, even you see this current candle, this current one, if the buyers cannot get a strong momentum to go up, even gold can drop from here as well, okay, because there is already one rejection candle here, okay. I'm telling you, if this current 4-hour candle, this one, okay, cannot break this high, all right, gold, we might see a drop from here as well, okay. So let's see what's happening with the progress of this session. I'll advise you more what we can do. I'll go back to this over and over again, and then we'll see. Muhammad Al Mansuri asked for USD CNHS, Jonathan Gold. So we have discussed Eurojpy and Usdjpy, Euro AUD. So let's see what's happening. We'll go back again to Euro CHF, Euro AUD. So I'm more interested on CHF pair today, guys and girls. So let's look at all the CHF pairs, and then we will go to the other pairs. So AUD CHF, you see, this is what I just discussed. This long consolidation has been broken to the downside. The price now testing the previous support as a resistance, and let's see what happened. AUD CHF, let's see NZD, GBP CHF, all this, you know, all this pair now showing a bearish momentum. CHF got very stronger. Every pairs with CHF now testing the previous support as a resistance. So USD CHF, but for me favorite is USD CHF, okay. USD CHF, you see the price is creating the doji that I am expecting. I always wish this one closes like that. I like to trade this kind of doji. If I see this one is closing like that as a doji, I'll sell straight and I'll send this signal to my VIP members. So make sure you check it out. Go to my website, find out if you wanna join this VIP program. There is a lot of value in it, and you learn my strategies. So let's see AUD CHF, what's happening now. AUD CHF, same, okay. Euro CHF, all these, you see all the CHF pairs broke to the downside. NZD looks a bit stronger, that's why NZD CHF is going up, but all are bearish, okay. So GBP USD, let's see GBP USD. Pure Health ask for GBP USD. Remigius, you are doing a good job, thank you. Thank you for your compliment. Ambient AUD USD, please sir, we'll look at it. Justin, in gold buy at 1828, okay. So it's your analysis, Justin. Let's see what happened. MemeTB, what's EAR strategy? MemeTB EAR strategy is a strategy to trade. Let me show you quickly what kind of it's a reversal strategy. Let me tell you, GBP USD, okay. So you see this kind of pattern can be traded with EAR strategy. Let me put a circle here. So it's a kind of a reversal strategy. So when you see that the price is, you know, creating a series of lower high and lower low in a trending market, at some point you will see that the price is retracing to a certain point, and then it will show you a pattern, okay, when the price is ready to go down again or go up again. So EAR strategy will give you a clear idea of when the price is ready to drop or when the price is ready to go up. That is EAR strategy explained in a video format. You can access all of them once you, and also some more incredible strategy coming. This EAR strategy is a long hard work, and I have developed 3 or 4 more strategies that over the last 6 months. Some of them, 4th one is still under process, but 3 strategy I have completely formulated. They will also go to my website soon, and there all the members who have the lifetime access, they will be able to access them. Make sure you check it out. So now let's see GBP JPY. I have a request for GBP JPY. The link in the description area for my website. You can go there, see what you can do. Now GBP JPY, you see this is the 4-hour. JPY is getting stronger, as I told you, and let me see on the daily time frame. Okay, daily as well, we saw that there is a strong move down as soon as the market close, we saw now a push to the upside. So what it might do, GBP JPY, you see there is a previous support here, exactly here. If I draw it here, so now the price is going up to test this previous support as a resistance on the daily, and we saw that primarily showing a long wick. And I think that what it might do, GBP JPY today, later today, the price will come down, closing here as a doji, and finally will drop. So yen looks like getting stronger for short term. So let's see on the weekly what it is doing. Now this is what it is on the weekly. The price went above. This is what actually I told in my weekly forex forecast, that the price might create a doji here, and that is what it is doing. Okay, the price is creating a doji, and it might go little sideways, and then will come back down to this level, and then will create another trending to the upside. So lower time frame, GBP JPY is bearish. Okay, but you see that it's moving in a sideways. So when it is moving like that, the best place to enter opportunity is on this trend line. Wait for the price to go up to this trend line, to this resistance, and then consider selling GBP JPY. Okay, so daily you saw there has been a bearish candle is formed. So I think that it's still bearish. So let's see what happened. We need to wait for a possible this is the trend line that you can sell GBP JPY. But keep in mind, I'm not giving you an advice to trade or any kind of investment advice. It's just giving you the education so that you learn how to trade the market. So Anthony, I'm new here. You are the general. Thank you, Anthony. You are also a general. Sorry sir, please, NZD. Don't have to say sorry. It's you are my honorable subscriber, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to serve you. Don't need to say sorry. Say your request, and I'll try to do it as much as I can. Jonathan, if you see now gold, the bear trade going this down. Okay, yeah, so let's see what's happening with let me see NZD CHF. So we have I lost the focus, 1 second. Okay, NZD USD, let's see NZD USD. Okay, so as I told you, Aussie dollar, NZD USD doing same kind of things. Okay, what I think that they will do, all you see, the price will go up here and then will come back again. Okay, NZD USD may be going to in a very important area of value. So I think that what it might do, okay, it might test this trend line on the daily and might come. This is the daily chart. In case if it goes up, that's a good one. Then if it goes up, and it will come back to this 20 period moving average. Let's see if it can break this daily resistance. If you go to the 4 hour, so if NZD USD, as I told you, if NZD USD cannot break this resistance, it might break it. We might see that NZD USD just respecting this top and then coming back down again. So the price does like this all the time. Over the long term, you see this is a bearish market. There is a support here, now acting as resistance, and then we can expect a drop from here. I don't think that NZD USD will just go like that. It could go, but to me more of it is on bearish. Okay, it's just going up to hunt some stop loss and might come down again. Okay, so let's see what happened with NZD USD. In the meantime, you guys and girls, don't hesitate to write your question, anything if you want to ask me or if you want to analyze. So USD CHF, I'm keeping my eye on it, and AUD CHF, any pairs that is giving against CHF could be a good trading opportunity. Let's see Euro AUD. Euro AUD, it's moving in a sideways. I'm not now trading on Euro AUD. I'm not interested in any pair that going in a sideways. It's a choppy market, a completely you see this is a choppy market. Let's keep aside Euro AUD. Instead, look at Euro CHF. Let's see what's with Euro GBP. Euro GBP also creating a bearish pattern. Okay, Euro GBP looks like bearish so far. Okay, if you go to the daily, what you saw that the price looks like that it might create, it's a over the long term, it's a bearish market. It might create a bearish pattern like this, but it's still fully not clear the direction. But if you go to the 4 hour, looks like that Euro GBP is creating a bearish price action. You see, looks like on the 4 hour it has created a double top and then created a doji followed by another doji, double doji with a lower high and lower low. You can watch my YouTube video on double doji. You can go to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There is a strategy on how to trade double doji. You might find it really valuable. So Euro GBP looks like that it might, if this one closes after 49 minutes as a doji, I think that it will just go like this. Okay, because over the long term this is a bearish market. You see this price action looks like it's still bearish. Okay, so let's see what's happened. GBP USD pure health, wrong talk. Hello sir, have gold. Yeah, we discussed gold. We'll go back to again gold. Sir, how to join BIP? Okay, Findullah Khan, please go to the description area of this video, the first link, click on that, go to my website, you will find all the details there. If you have any question, you can use the live chat or email me in the website. The information is there. So Chadrick, GBPUSD, please use that. Yeah, we'll do that. Chadrick, how many pairs should I consider as a beginner? Okay, so Grandstone, always keep minimum pairs. Don't trade. I normally try to keep one trade at a time or max 2 trade. Okay, I don't trade too many. I don't do too many trades. That's a good idea to keep the minimum trade so that you can stay focused. Okay, I would suggest you to stay in 2 pairs. Eurusd Kimball, Usdjpy, sir, yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so Martin Alex, GBP USD. Okay, we'll look at it. Okay, so Fidullah Khan, thank you. Okay, let's see what's happening with GBP USD and other pairs and the silver. Let's see what's happening with the silver. So gold and silver is doing the same. I got a request before for an USD CNHS as well. Let's see what's happening with USD CNHS. Okay, let me see USD CNHS. If I go to the daily time frame on USD CNHS, okay, USD CNHS looks like that it is also reversing. You see, USD CNHS for quite a few days was in a strong uptrend. Okay, it's a strong uptrend, and then what happened? The trend got tired with this doji, and we saw a broke down, followed by this green candle. Basically tested this previous support as a resistance, and we saw that now the price is pushing down again. Go to the 4 hour. So what you saw this in this 4 hour time frame on USD CNHS, basically USD CNHS has created a double top here in this important level of support and resistance. So let me draw this one here. We saw first of all a reversal pattern here. Okay, previous support as a resistance with a double top. Now this candle is going to close, looks like a bearish engulfer. So if this is the situation, then it's a bearish pattern, so selling all is a good idea, but need to see how this candle is closing. I think that USD CNHS will just continue to drop from here at least to this 20 period moving average, so which can give us a good trading opportunity on the downside. So let's draw a level here with this 20 period moving average. If you draw a level, if you go to the 4 hour again, so it could be a 1 to 2 trade, but it could be, you see, if anyone trading, as I told you that it's not an investment advice. So this, you see, there is a double top here. Okay, there is a double top here, and the price should be coming at least to this level to test this previous support as a resistance. Let me draw this level. So previous support as a resistance and stop loss above all this high and could be the profit target here, which will be around 1 to 2.5 or 3 risk to reward. Smash the like button. This is not an investment advice, this is just for educational purpose. Do your own analysis and make sure you use your own strategy to find out how this can be traded. So let's see USD CHF. Okay, so USD CHF, as I expected, it's now dropping, but I would like this candle to close as a doji, like that. Okay, as a doji. Hopefully it will close like that, and then we'll have a good risk to reward ratio trade on this one. So let's see what happened, and we'll trade USD CHF if this one closes as a doji. Aussie dollar, I think that Aussie dollar is also bearish. Aussie dollar is what it is trying to do. You see the price is creating this pattern. The market creates something very peculiar pattern. It's now looks like that it is creating this pattern, and maybe it will just melt like that to the downside. Okay, let's see what happened. And AUD CHF, the same thing. You see the price now rejecting from the top. AUD CHF, so I'll see which pair giving the best trading opportunity against CHF, and we'll trade that one. Euro CHF, AUD CHF, NZD CHF. Okay, whichever pair giving a good trading opportunity can be traded. Okay, so let's see what happens, and then we'll jump on a trade as soon as we'll find. Cosmos news in next 20 minutes for USD may impact the movement. So let's see what's happening. I don't think today there is a news. Whoa. Forex Factory, really today news? Let me see. Forex Factory, go to the calendar. So today is no, there is no news today. There is no high impact news. So 19th Thursday, no, there is no news. Quasimbraza, you might be looking at a low impact news. It doesn't have any impact. So Darren, sir, where would you place your stop loss on USD CHF if it close with the doji? Above the doji, above couple of pips doji, Darren. Thank you. Chiditu, Euro GBP, sir, please can I get an analysis? Yep, we have done that. Oko boy Harry, CAD CHF, please. Okay, so all CHF pair is bearish. I think CAD CHF also showing bearish price action. Yeah, that's also bearish, showing a bearish price action, creating a doji here as well, testing this previous support here. Okay, support here as a resistance, and then we might see a drop. So CAD CHF also showing bearish price action. Okay, this is a nice bearish price action. This is also creating a doji. So let's see what's happening with USD CHF. I want this one to close as a like this one. Okay, like this candle. I like this kind of candle to trade. Let's see. I think it will come back again in this next 40 minutes, and then we'll smash it. So in the meantime, you guys and girls, let me know what is your favorite pairs that you trade and what time frame do you trade, so that I know what you are up to and what I am up to. Euro NZD looks like they're doing the same as the analysis that I post on YouTube today. Looks like that it is creating this head and shoulder. Okay, and then looks like that Euro NZD is dropping down. I think that it will continue to drop. The price action is like that, but at any point we might see a spike to the upside. And that's what it does. That's why they consolidate. Let's see what else we have to cover in this. Let me see DXY. Okay, I got a request for a DXY. Let's see. So looks like the dollar is getting weaker. Okay, that's why DXY looks like that. You see, after the big move, the price created, there is a smaller candle here. Now this is really nice bearish candle. So what we might see the next one, maybe we see like this dropping on DXY. That means that if DXY drops, this is 4-hour time frame, that means all the pair against USD could be stronger, except some of the weaker pair. If other pairs are weaker, they may go in a sideway. But over the long term, DXY, I think the DXY will drop now. Okay, it looks like, you see, if you look at the monthly, first of all, this is the monthly, the price went all-time high. Okay, you see this level came in 2017. The price now tested is in 2002. That's a really scary price. In 2002 the price was there. Now what do you see that DXY on the monthly creating this doji? Okay, so still 2 weeks to go, but what we might see that a bit up and down. So we might see a downward move on DXY weekly. You see, this is the weekly, couple of weeks up. This week, after 1.5 days closing, it's closing as a bearish, looks like a bearish candle. If this is the case, okay, if this one closes as a bearish candle, we could see a couple of candles down. Okay, at least 2-3 candle down. So if this is the case, if we take our Fibonacci from the low to the high, then if we consider at least 38.2 Fibonacci on DXY, okay, then we could see possibly a drop on DXY. Go to the daily, it's also creating a bearish pattern. You see, it's possibly creating a head and shoulder with this green candle, so head and shoulder means we might see, you know, a move to this level even. So the price in a top creating a head and shoulder, looks like that USD is getting weaker. So we might see some trend change on other pairs. So DXY, after though it is almost 3 hours remaining on DXY, looks like that this one also will close as a bearish candle. It might go up a little bit for retracement, and then it might close as a bearish candle. So looks like that USD will get weaker very soon. Let's see what happened. So Chadrick, GBPUSD, JPY daily chart, grandson. Okay, sir, how to look at 15 minutes time frame for intraday, sir? Okay, Qasim Raza, I'll tell you how to look at 15 minutes. USD pairs are daily and 4-hour entry on 15 minutes. Okay, we'll look at it. Pure Health, GU. Okay, so let's see USD pairs again. Okay, again go to the USD CHF. Okay, as I told you, USD is getting, looks like that USD getting weaker and CHF getting stronger. Okay, so I have got a question that how to enter a trade on 15 minutes. Let's say this 4-hour candle is closing as a doji, for example. If this one closes as a doji, this is USD CHF on the 4-hour, then how to trade on 15 minutes, I'll tell you now. So if this one closes as a doji on 4-hour, then what is the best way? First of all, what you could do is go to the 4-hour. Okay, first, say let's say it's a doji, right? Now one thing can be done is, if you can hold the trade, you can straight sell. It's not an investment advice, just I am teaching you. Keeping a stop loss above the doji, take profit maybe 1 to 2 or 3. That could be one way. Another way is, if you wanna, you know, let's say if you can, you know, watch the chart for some period of time on 15 minutes, then let's say go to the 15 minutes. Now this is the boundary of this 15-minute chart, right? So what will happen after the candle close, if it's closed as a doji, the price will come around, let's say around this zone again, around let's say 50% of this zone. Okay, and then placing a pending order along this zone. Okay, keeping the stop loss above all this 15-minute consolidation, and take profit 1 to 3 or maybe 1 to 5. Okay, and then forget about the trade. That's what it is. Okay, that's how trader trades. Okay, so this is the 4-hour. Let's go back to 4-hour, and that's what it is. Okay, that's how trading on 15 minutes. Okay, I don't individually trade a single candle on the 15 minutes because 15 minutes time frame is not reliable. 4-hour is reliable, daily is more reliable. 4-hour can give you a solid foundation because it's a full session. Okay, it's a full session, and that's a good time frame for trading. Intraday, quite a few candles, and at the same time it's a You see USD CAD also showing a bearish pattern. Okay, USD CAD also has created a head and shoulder. You see this is a head and shoulder. I think that USD CAD also will drop, but pardon me, I'm talking a lot and finally looks like I have to slow down a little bit. Anyway, guys and girls, let's see what you guys and girls are thinking. TK Boss, hello sir, my name is Tayyab Khan. AUD USD is bullish in my pattern strategy. Okay, yeah, looks like if your strategy says bullish, then bullish. Trust on yourself. Asuk Sumon GU GBP USD. Thank you sir, no problem. Justin, I moved SL in profit. Very good Justin, awesome. So let's see GBP USD. Okay, what's happening with this one? Okay, so if DXY get weaker, then what will happen? Question is, now what will happen? One thing that, let's say these pairs like GBP USD, euro dollar, they might get bullish. Okay, but what I think that they will not get bullish immediately. Okay, we might see that they are moving like sideways. Could be bullish. Okay, it could create a pattern like this, let's say GBP USD, you know, and pushing high, but it could be a sign of trend change. Okay, go to the monthly. You see this is the monthly on GBP USD, and this is a very historically monthly level. Okay, historical. But as I told you that, you see, if you look at the past, when there is a trend change, you saw there is a big monthly consolidation and then the trend change. Here also same, you see at least 3 months the price came to this zone back and forth and then trend change. There's the same thing. You see how many months the price came back and forth. So the same thing, if we change the trend, do not expect it to go this one and then like that and you make a big profit. No, the price will go up, you know, maybe it will close as a doji on the monthly. Let's say how it might do. One thing it might do that, okay, it will go up again tomorrow and next week slowly will go up. Maybe this monthly candle will close as a doji. Okay, will close as a doji, and then the next one again will come down, you know, create a higher low, maybe will go up again. So couple of months will do consolidation and then will change its trend. So trend change, it might go in a consolidation in a sideway. So we have to adapt ourselves to trade this kind of market. So go to the now again, go back to GBPSD on the daily. So far is still bearish. Let's see. I think that it might create a pattern like that. Okay, nothing is impossible. Let's see. Or even it could create this as an inverted head and shoulder here. Okay, with after this candle, maybe a red candle like that, you see, then it will turn into an inverted head and shoulder and then it might go up. Okay, so for now we need to watch. The only thing I love to trade this kind of market. You see USD CHF, when the market is clean and showing a clear direction, then I trade. Okay, so do like that. When the market is clean, showing a clear direction, trade. Otherwise the one that is going in like a sideways or choppy market, I just watch until I find my trade. So AUD CHF, all the CHF pairs showing very strong bearish momentum. Let's see what happened. If we find opportunity, definitely will not miss it. Okay, NZD CHF, I'm just looking which one to trade nicely against CHF. Okay, so I think that NZD CHF also can give, it's just closing below this. NZD is a bit stronger, that's why it's just closing below this resistance. Okay, if I find this opportunity, I might sell NZD CHF. Looks like that it's just after 30 minutes is closing below this previous. Let me see the daily. Maybe we can take a trade on NZD CHF. Let me see daily. Daily, let's see. weekly. Okay, after the previous week the price crossed the high and then closed below. Okay, the price is now in this zone. Let me see monthly. Okay, so monthly, weekly, daily, all are bearish. So good opportunity. Let me see. So the price basically, you see, this is the previous, this is a long-term channel. This is the channel. Let me draw the support of this channel. So this is the channel on NZD CHF. You see, nice channel just been broken. Go to the 4 hour. Okay, so the price looks like that, just below this channel. Okay, looks like the price will drop from here, I think so. Euro CHF. So Euro CHF also highly bearish. Let me see, only 15 minutes. Okay, 4 hour. Let me see USD CHF. It's look like that. USD CHF. I want this one to be closed as a doji. I think it will do just before maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It will go up and will close as a doji. Okay, I want this to happen like that, and then I'll trade dollar Swiss franc. Okay, let's see daily. The price though coming to this important level of support. There is a 20 period moving average also. The price broke this level. That's okay. So let me quickly have a look all the pairs so that I know that which one is doing what. So I will only think of trading. You see Usdjpy also looks like bearish. AUD NZD, I'll not trade it. And now CAD CHF also showing a strong bearish pattern. This is also a bearish price action. Let me see daily. So against CHF, all the pairs looks like reversing. Okay, this is also a very, very strongly bearish market weekly. So yeah, it's moving. Okay, CAD CHF bearish, CAD JPY bearish, CHF JPY Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP. Okay, Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY also creating a bearish price action. We might see a drop. Euro NZD, yeah, bearish, highly bearish price action. Euro NZD also creating a nice bearish price action. Euro dollar looks like sideways. GBP AUD, GBP USD, GBP CAD, GBP CHF. Okay, GBP CHF, you see this one also very, very strongly bearish. Okay, so CHF showing a very, very strong bearish price action. We might see a big move on this, all of this. GBP CHF, this is a weekly. You see it broke everything. Okay, it's a long-term bearish market. It broke everything. Let's see the daily. After the daily move, double top, we saw really strong move to the downside on GBP CHF. Now let's see on the 4 hour. Okay, so I'll keep all CHF pairs shortlisted. Then we'll see what happened. AUD CHF. Let's forget about everything. Let's focus only on CHF pairs. That's what I'm teaching you. You know, I'm not trading. I'm teaching you how to trade. So when you see one pair giving a really good trading opportunity, forget about everything. Okay, focus on that one. So let's see what's happening with the CHF pairs. Euro CHF, GBP CHF. Okay, see GBP CHF is bearish than Euro CHF. Okay, this is the support. now tested as resistance. USD CHF, okay, a big move happened with USD CHF. It's not waiting for the candle close. AUD CHF, okay, AUD CHF now also moving, but I will not take any trade until I see the candle close. Euro NZD moving down, Euro CAD, Euro GBP. So Euro NZD looks like getting stronger against Euro. It's moving down. So forget about Euro NZD, Euro CAD, Euro GBP. Now let's focus on CHF pairs. Okay, so AUD CHF, USD CHF, NZD CHF, GBP CHF. Okay, let's see what we can trade. So what I would say, okay, let me see the bigger picture. Monthly, though monthly is just on a monthly support zone. Okay, Euro CHF looks like Euro CHF doing the same. Okay, NZD CHF, USD CHF, AUD CHF monthly. Okay, so AUD CHF as well, you see, we can expect the price to come back to this level of support on. So now I will short list, I will reduce, let me see, NZD CHF. So let's now look at Euro CHF and AUD CHF. AUD CHF also very, very highly bearish. Go to the 4 hour. Okay, so I will keep now on my list AUD CHF. USD CHF already dropped, so I will not look at it now. So AUD CHF, Euro CHF. Okay, let's see what happened. AUD CHF, USD CHF, GBP CHF. Okay, let's see. Wait. Okay, wait for this candle to be closed. We'll trade any one of this. Okay, we'll trade any one of this after the candle close. Okay, Euro. Let me see which one is better. GBP CHF monthly, USD CHF. It came to the exactly on the monthly support. AUD CHF. In the meantime, what you guys and girls are saying, Emila, thank you, no problem. Alzaf GBP will be up. So GBP, depending on what pair you are looking at, RB opinion US 100, just in US 100 is still very bearish. Here looks like that. Meme TV, what time is the best for intraday? Meme TV, I would suggest 4 hour is the best for intraday. Justin, it's almost back to 200 EMA. Yeah. Qasim Raza, sir, news is next minute. How do you see movement, sir? I don't see any news. Qasim Raza, maybe you are looking at the low impact news. Justin, okay. Alzaf CHF JPY, CAD JPY making big move on 1 hour. Yeah, looks like that. CAD is getting weaker against JPY. Asok Sumon GU. Can gold touch 1850 level today? SM, not sure, could be. Okay, could be. Qasim Raza, AUD US, thank you sir, also the best. Okay, Vinesh, focus on USD CHF only. Yeah, very good. Pure Health, GBP USD, Muhammad Ali USD CNHS. So you already looked at USD CNHS. Okay, so I'm almost at the end of my session, but before I end, so this is my takeaway. Okay, these pairs are my takeaway. USD CHF, you see now retracing, and I am expecting it to go up and close here. Okay, then will be good trading opportunity if it's close here as a doji. Okay, AUD CHF, I'm expecting it to close as a doji as well. So all the CHF pair I would suggest for selling, but keep in mind that this is not any kind of investment advice. This is only for educational purpose. So all CHF pairs, CHF getting stronger, selling from a very, very important level, that could be advisable. And make sure that you keep it educational. It's not any kind of investment advice. So this is it. Let's say if I trade, okay, if I trade, I will trade AUD CHF. Okay, AUD CHF looks like very, very weaker, like that, shorting from here, keeping stop loss above this high, targeting up to here, which is around 1 to 1.7. okay, keep in mind that this is not in any kind of investment advice. This is only educational purpose. And at the same time, let me show you something that's very important, that everybody look at it. This is a disclaimer saying that what I have shown on the screen is only for educational purpose. If anyone taking this trade based on their own risk management and own analysis. So that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for joining this live trading session, and I really appreciate all the support you guys and girls giving in this channel. Make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Press that bell notification so that you don't miss out any of this I release every day. Make sure you stick till the end every day, and also check out my analysis and other videos available in my channel. Lastly, don't forget to check out the description area for all the links. Go to my website if you want to join my VIP training program, where you will receive trade signal and also learn my strategies. And also if anyone need a trusted broker, use the link in the description area to open an account with Blueberry Market. If you use my link, you will get 20% trade credit. They are reliable, regulated, and best customer service you will ever find. And also if anyone need funded account, you can use the link in the description. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow same time, and also have a good time. Manage your risk in your trading. Thank you.